Hello friends, welcome back to my recipe journal. Today we'll be making this super moist and super delicious double chocolate chip muffin. Trust me, it's so good. You try out every other chocolate cake recipe you have. First, you want to get a clean bowl and a sieve. Yeah, the sieve because of the cocoa powder, because lumps just live rent free in that. So you pour in your flour. I'm using all-purpose flour for this. The cocoa powder, your baking powder, your baking soda, and salt. Then you sieve this gently. After sieving, you move the bowl aside, then get a bigger bowl. You break in the eggs, you pour in the sugar, you pour in the vegetable oil. You can also use canola oil for this recipe. You pour in your milk, you add your vanilla essence, and then Greek yogurt. Yeah, I know Greek yogurt, but Greek yogurt gives the cake a certain type of moistness that you won't get from just milk or buttermilk, and it also gives it this tanginess that just takes the cake to a whole new level. Then you want to mix this very well. After mixing this, you pour in the dry ingredients and you want to make sure you combine this thoroughly. Line your muffin tin and then you scoop in the batter. You can use an ice cream scoop like I'm using here, or you can also use just a measuring cup or whatever you have at hand will be fine for this. I'm topping off the batter with chocolate chips, but then you can also mix in the chocolate chips with the batter before, and that's before scooping it into the muffin pan. So this is going into my preheated oven for 12 minutes, and you can see how my cake looks after 12 minutes. It's so moist and all that chocolate chips has just melted right into the cake. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please you can drop it in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer every single one. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.